What is going on, guys? So you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free TikTok coins. And I've managed to actually find a way to do this, guys. I spent hours searching and trying tons of different things, and most of them didn't work. However, I have managed to find a working method to get TikTok coins for free. So this is going to save you a ton of money, of course. It's going to save you from having to buy coins, but also it's going to save you a bunch of time searching. So let's get into the tutorial. So you need to use your mobile phone, open up an internet browser and go to this website, www.speedyplugin.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this, guys, to go to Speedy Plugin. So on this website, there is a ton of different pages. Go to the search bar at the top of the page, search for TikTok, and you're looking for the TikTok coins adder. Click to download TikTok coins adder to add coins to your balance. This is going to get you unlimited coins, guys. So go ahead, click on that, click download, and then you're going to need to just follow the instructions. Pretty easy, guys. That's going to get you unlimited coins on TikTok once you fully complete that, guys. And that is going to save you a bunch of money. So let's just quickly check how much TikTok coins cost, just to see how much they usually cost. Well, a coin is worth about 1.5 cents or so. Let's just say you get 1,000 coins. You can calculate that, but you're going to get more than 1,000, guys. So you can potentially get hundreds of dollars worth of free coins. Super easy. Go to speedyplugin.com, search for the TikTok coins adder. Go ahead, do that, guys. Really awesome. This works. So hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and slash the like button if you got your free coins, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.